These are my recent Parrot polish purchases, and I wanted to share them with you. So let's get started. This one is called Sonja's Folly. It's a triple thermal, a deep purple black, 2 violet, and when it's a hot pink. Here is the first coat. Here is the second coat. Two coats is really pretty good, and that's probably all you need, but I am going to throw on 3. I want it to be as dark, all the color changes as dark as possible. And then into the warm, so you can see the violet. And then into the hot, and it turns pink. Well, this is definitely my very favorite thermal in the entire world. This one is described as an ultra chrome, and this is Greek for beautiful. The name, actually I'll show it to you. There's no way on earth I can pronounce that. And it is blue, gold, purple, and other colors as well. And I haven't worn it, so I'm not sure what other colors, but maybe they'll appear in the swatch. Okay, here is the first coat of Greek for beautiful. And according to Google Translator, it sounds like Panamorphy. Yeah, I probably just really butchered the heck out of that. Anyway, here is the first coat. And here is the second coat. Yeah, I don't think my coats are really thick enough, so it doesn't look on camera like I need 3 coats, but it's iffy in person. Probably if I'd used thicker coats, it would be okay with 2. And here is the third coat. Oh, I got very much on my brush that time. Here, oh, great, I got too much on my brush. Ugh. Okay, well, there's third, like really big, huge coats. This one is it's described as an ultra chrome polish. It is Bella, which means beautiful in Italian, and the color shifts are pink, blue, purple, and there's actually more color shifts in here as well that aren't listed. I've seen gold and yellow in here. This is completely gorgeous. And here is the first coat of Bella. And here is the second coat. And I'm thinking I got enough on there to only need 2 coats. This one is called Feel the, and it was an exclusive for the Parrot polish party people. Sometimes I guess David, I guess sometimes has polishes that he says, hey, does anybody want one? And we message him, but they're not actually on his site for sale to everyone. So I will link the Parrot Polish Party People in case you're interested in joining that Facebook group. And here is the first coat. Cover is actually pretty good on the first coat, but I am going to use the second. And here is the second coat, and it does reach full opacity on 2 coats. I hope you liked the video. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.